Good to see you. Welcome to this Tech Foresight event, Tech Foresight 2038.
I hope you're going to have a fascinating day. I'm personally interested and excited about many of the things that are on the schedule.
If you're interested in how statistics and mathematics are going to be applied with engineering to improve our critical infrastructure, if you're interested in how light is manipulated and reprogrammed to do incredible things, and if you want to get down and roll your sleeves up and have conversations about everything from privacy to artificial intelligent drug discovery, then you're definitely in the right place.
We care a lot, not only about doing fantastic foundational research, but actually we care equally about getting that research out of our laboratories, out of our scientific papers and into practice.
You know, we're rational, we're logical, we're evidence-based. Of course we are, we're Imperial College. We're deterministic, we like to create the future, and we've been talking about the future.
I visit the future for a living. Not just one future, but many possible futures, and we bring those futures to life. And so we explored one possible future around climate change, where the Western world has moved from abundance to scarcity. We have the tools ready and available today for a different lifestyle and become more responsible for the consequences.
There's one thing that's absolutely certain in all of our lives, apart from death and taxes, is uncertainty. Technology and the drive forward of technology is always hampered by failure. We hear that data is the new oil, it's the new economy, and I believe it is.
We have gone a long way from Newton prism and conventional lenses. Nanophotonics is really opening a new future, and I really believe that the future for optical technology lies at the nanoscale.
We are developing new materials for which we will build bridges, construct buildings. We're developing structures through the advent of artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence is allowing us to develop structures in a very clever way.
Thanks to all of you for coming and also being our business partners as well. We really appreciate it. Thank you, and let's network and take care, folks. Good to see you.